Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to sync messages on Grindr. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Grindr application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Grindr application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to sync your messages, for that what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is find the option for settings at last and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various settings options over here. Simply scroll down. Now you'll be able to find the section for chat over here. Over here you'll be able to find two options: mark who I have chatted with, messages sync. So Grindr does not automatically sync the messages. That means if you're using Grindr in this device, if you log into another device, those messages will not be synced over there. So if you want to sync the messages, for that what you have to do is tap on this option, messages sync. Now you can see over here messages sync has been started and completed. So like this, your messages will be synced. So that is how you sync messages on Grindr. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.